Alright, hey guys, this is kind of a 5 in here. This is a 1999 Lasko 3733 20-inch box fan. And for all you guys are going to say it's a 97 and not a 99, it's a 3723, not a 3733, well, it's a 3733. Because it says it right on the bottom, and it's from 98 to 99. So, I got this at Goodwill for $10 back on July 28th, 2018. And some guy had given me money to purchase it, and he heard me saying I didn't have any money on me to buy this, so he gave me a $10 bill plus another dollar to buy this fan. So here's high. Medium. And low. And off. Thank you guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.